Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a hot minute. Yeah, life kind of takes over sometimes. These things happen. So I am very behind, just very behind. Maybe I'm so far behind I'm in front of myself. I'm not sure. So I thought I'd walk you through, albeit we're in December, the November 2025 club kits that I have for Spellbinders. These are very cute. They're kind of up my alley, but kind of not. So I thought I would start with the Glimmer. With the Glimmer you do get a full roll of foil, and this month it is blush, so that's really nice. Nice pretty colour. The Glimmer plates of the month are called, because you know I'm prepared and all that, they are Luxe Links. And I think the idea is that this is kind of like a brunch themed, it was a brunch themed month with like, you know, when you go out with, you know, with your girlfriends for brunch, or, I don't know, just like real girly stuff that, I mean, I'm girly, but not this kind of girly. So anyway, the, plate for the Glimmer of the month creates this beautiful sort of link chain kind of thing, and I think you can use it for a lot of things, not just more sort of feminine things. So I'm not saying this very well, but this kind of, you could make this into a grungy kind of background because it looks like chain link, and I think the idea is that it looks a bit like what you would find on handbags and that kind of thing. And then there's a couple of sentiments which also have the coordinating dies, and they are, what do they say? they say here's to another well-styled year. So you could do that for a birthday card. And the other one was, it says, saw this and thought of you. So very, very cute. And this is something that you could, there's the foiling there on the handbag, which I will show you in a second. So that's the Glimmer of the month. The small die of the month is called Let's Do Brunch. Oh, sorry. Let's Do Brunch. And of course my cat is in her cat box. Of course, always while I'm videoing. Can't do it before or after. It's got to be while I'm doing this. Anyway, so this has a variety of little foodie things. So you have some bacon. You have eggs, you have a little teeny tiny teacup, or well, it looks like a teacup to me, but like a little mug cup thing that they can hold. You have a champagne glass, you have toast or a waffle, depending how you put this one together, and a couple of sentiments again, sentiments saying happy brunch day, let's do brunch, and thanks a brunch. So very cute for thank you cards or birthday cards, that kind of thing, or just to get together with your girlfriends and, you know, have some food and drink. Let's just leave it at that. And then also this funny looking thing here is all the legs and arms that you can then put onto said food. They also have little faces. There are parts of them, like the bacon, I don't know that you can, no, all of them, you can either have it with or without the face on it, but I think the face makes it cute. So, and I love stuff like that. So this, you can't see the faces on here very well, but there's the bacon, the eggs, the champagne glass, and or mimosas, and the little waffle. It's very cute. And then there's a little stick that creates the banner. There's a banner die here for the sentiments, and this is what you can use to create an actual banner like that. So very sweet. So, and kind of funny. So the third one is the large die of the month, or for me anyway, called Charmed Life. Now Charmed Life is kind of what it says on the tin. It's little charms that you can create for a handbag, right? So this is what I mean. It's like a whole, it's I don't know, I just, not typically me, but it's cute. And I think all these individual little charms that you can make up, you can make on a completely different card. You know, you can make like just a simple card with it. So this section here is what creates the handbag. So it will, you can cut the cardstock so that it creates this look. I think the embossing folder or 3D embossing folder of the month for November would give you that quilted look on a bag. But other than that, you have all the charms, the chains, there's bows, there's ties, there's little key locks, patches, all these little things to create the closures and the handbag handle strap, and then also all the links to create the little charms, including the bow there. So you have a little bear that you can create as one of the charms. You have a couple of different faces for the cherries, a dice, a little, like a mini purse, sorry, and what else? There's a bow, there's a separate bow there. This is the main piece for the big bow, so this massive one here that's on the bag, but there's a little bow as well. So there's the bear, the dice, and cherries as an example. So very, very cute as well. Yeah, let's see if I can find some time to do some stuff with it. That would be nice, wouldn't it? So that's November 2025 Club Kit. That's the glimmer of the month, the small die of the month, and the large die of the month. Remember, your glimmer comes with a full size hot foil roll. Yeah, you get a full size hot foil roll, and yeah, let's see what I can come up with for this. My December one is already on its way, so I am that kind of behind, but it's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. So I hope you've enjoyed this. I will do my best to get some more projects out here. I'll try and maybe make some simple ones so that you can see how easy it is to do. And yeah, we'll go from there. So until next time, guys, bye for now.